Alright, so to be transparent here, I am not into all of these motivational videos, and I also don't want to be a part of the movement of people doing that. However, what I actually want to cover in this video is the common thread in between all the people I've coached where I saw that they started to be successful, at least a little bit, just starting to make profits, and the first profits with dropshipping, and how their complete perspective changed like 180 degrees after that happened. Because what I've actually seen is the very first step to getting consistent profits with dropshipping, as in like you can live from that, is to just understand that dropshipping works by itself. So just understanding that dropshipping could potentially become your life income, and basically the main income you actually get in general, is a game changer. If you understand that, you will put in so much effort, so much time, so much more commitment to every single problem you're going to face. Because, for example, if you test a bunch of products and nothing works, and then you get blocked on Facebook, you get blocked on PayPal, you have just all the typical issues which happen in dropshipping, the chances of you quitting is super high. All right. However, if you have one winning product and then nothing works, and you test the same 10 products which also don't work, but then you get blocked on Facebook, you get blocked on PayPal, all of the same things happen, you will probably keep going just because of this one winning product. Just because you see that it's actually possible, you will keep going no matter what happens. And this problem-solving mindset actually comes through understanding that this works. All right, I cannot emphasize this enough. The very first thing you need to understand is that there actually is a real possibility that dropshipping will make more money for you than your current full-time job. And that's a crazy thing to even think about, but for 1 second, actually imagine that happening. If you would be able to sustainably make income from dropshipping, which by the way is not easy at all, like you're going to have a lot of problems and a lot of issues along the way. However, if you actually overcome them, you will make a lot of money, and that's just reality. So for 1 second, just actually imagine what can happen. If you consistently make, let's say, 10K profit per month with dropshipping, which I know for some people it sounds unrealistic, but it is actually possible. If that happens, you will be able to do so many more things that you actually are able to do right now. Number one, you can work from wherever you want, whenever you want, and do whatever you want while making money in the background. If you understand that the work you do today is not going to be directly impacting the money you make today, that means that you can take one day where you do something completely else, as long as the next day and the day after you do more. I'm obviously not saying that you're going to have a passive income in the next like 3 to 6 months. It's probably not going to happen because this passive income thing, it's pretty tough to get there. I'm also going to be pretty transparent about this. It's not that easy as you think, and you're going to fall into so many pitfalls when you're going to think, all right, I just need to work for 1 hour per day, and that's probably it. I don't need more than that. It's not reality. All right. At some point, yes, after you outsourced most of the things and you just have to manage a couple of like details, then yeah, you can actually work less, but also not if you want to really grow the business, but if you want to stay on one consistent level, you can do most of the things passively. However, what is actually realistic is if you constantly every single day invest a couple of hours per day into the dropshipping business model, at some point you will see the rewards and you will actually start making money, which could potentially allow you to quit your job. So I actually made a video specifically talking about that, where I basically say when a good time is to quit your job and when it's not yet. I've seen a lot of people doing a mistake in either quitting the job too early or too late. So if you want to check out that video, I would highly recommend it. Click the link somewhere here, you're going to get to there. And also, if you actually do want to shorten your learning curve, as in getting to the goals you want to get to way quicker than you would do by yourself, what you can do right now is click the link below, sign up for a free consultation session. It's going to be a one-on-one call with me personally. We're going to figure out how and if I can even help you. And if we both think everything is a good fit, we're going to start moving on to the next step, which is going to be me explaining to you exactly the step-by-step system we use to actually be able to make those numbers I was talking about previously for me and my students. All right, so click the link below and see you in the call.